Hello guys, so like I've promised, this is another example of how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. But in this case, the coefficients of the unknowns are actually not the same. I've done a tutorial on another example where we have the coefficients to be same, so it's very easy to just eliminate by addition or by subtraction. But like I said, there are times that we need to manipulate the coefficient of these unknowns by multiplication in order to be able to eliminate them. Now, the first step in solving any simultaneous equation is to label your equation. We'll label this equation 1 and we'll label this equation 2. Now, look at the unknowns that we have here. In these equations, we have two unknowns, m and n. None of them has the coefficient of m here is 3, here is 4. The coefficients are not the same. Here is -5, here is -6. They are not the same. But for us to be able to add or eliminate this coefficient, one of these unknowns, by addition or subtraction, we can bring the coefficient to be the same by multiplication. So, how do you decide what to multiply the equations with? You choose the unknown that you want to eliminate. In this case, I want to eliminate m. So since I want to eliminate m, if I just add this straightforward, it's not going to eliminate any of them. So I want to multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of the unknown in the other equation, which is equation 2. So now I will multiply this equation 1 by the coefficient of m here, which is equals to 4. And I will multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of m in equation 1, which is 3. So by multiplying, let's say we'll multiply both equations by the coefficient of m. Coefficient of m. So multiplying this by 4, and I'll multiply this by 3. We'll have new equations. 4 multiplied by 3m, we'll have 12m here, minus 20n equals to 44. We label that equation 3 because it's a new equation. 3 multiplied by this, we also have 12m minus 3 multiplied by minus 6n is minus 18n equals to 48. And we'll say that is equation 4. So now you see that our coefficients are the same. We can decide to eliminate this by addition or subtraction. How do you know whether to add or subtract? Just try in a, let's see. If we had these two equations together, focus on the unknown that you want to eliminate, which is m. The coefficient is 12. If I have 12 plus 12, this gives me 24. That's in the case of addition. With subtraction, I say 12 minus 12, it gives me 0. It automatically eliminates this unknown. So in this case, I am going to be subtracting and not adding. So what you do is to subtract these two equations. Subtract equation 4 in this case from 3. You can do it the other way around. So now we have 12 minus 12. This is 0. It goes out. Now we have minus 20n minus 18n. This is what we have now. We have minus 20n minus 18n equals to 44. 44 minus 48. This becomes minus 20n plus 18n. Minus multiplied by minus is plus, equals to minus 4, because 48 is greater than 44. So I have minus 2n equals to minus 4. Therefore, n equals to minus 4 over minus 2. This cancels 2, and n equals to 2. That's the first step. So we go ahead and substitute the value of n that we have gotten now into any of the equations. I pick equation 1. So equation 1 is 3m minus 5n equals to 11. You can actually use any of the equation. Now, I have 3m minus 5n equals to 2, so we put that value in 2 equals to 11. Always label your equation so that you don't get confused. So I have 3m minus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, 11. 3m equals to 11. Collecting like times, this goes to the other side and becomes plus. So 3m equals to 21, and my m will be equals to 21 all over 3. This cancels and goes in 7 places. So m equals to 7. So now we know that our n equals to 2 and our m equals to 7. So let's verify and see if our workings was right. I'll use equation 2 now to verify. Always try to verify so that all your effort will not be futile. 6n minus 16, you can easily equals to 16. You can easily go back to your workings and check if you are wrong, if this does not equal to 16. So 4m is 7, m is 7 rather, so 4 into bracket 7, n is 2, 6 into bracket 2 equals to what? Let's see. This is 28, 7 multiplied by 4 is 28 minus 12. 28 minus 12 equals 6. You can see you are right and you can okay your working. So and that's how to solve simultaneous equation by elimination method in cases where the coefficients are not the same. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to have first-hand notification when I upload tutorials, and don't keep this to yourself. If it has helped you, like and share with your friends, and feel free to ask your questions on any of my social media platforms. Thank you. I'll catch you guys later.